How to install hardware. Turn off the computer and then plug all wires connected to the tower, and if there is a power switch on the back, switch it off. Take out the screws on the back of the tower, take out the panel, then wear an anti-static wrist strap to protect components by earthing your static electricity, and then take out the motherboard tray. Take the motherboard and screw it on the motherboard tray, then slide it into the back into the case. Firmly insert ROM, random access memory. Sticks into the long and narrow slots, usually located at the top right of the motherboard. Carefully place the CPU into the socket that is square shaped on the motherboard, then place the CPU fan on top. For sound or network cards, look for a slot similar to the video card slot, but slightly shorter and without the lever. Slowly slide the hard drive into the hard drive bay, usually located at the front of the tower, and then connected the cables from the back of the hard drive to the motherboard. CD or compact disc, DVD or digital video disc, ROM or read-only memories, drives are similar to hard drives. Just slide it into the bay at the top, right or left depending on the panel that was open, and connect the wires. For audio devices, match the colors, and USB is pretty much self-explanatory. If you have a video card, the back of it should be sticking outside, which is where you connect the motor cable to. Unless there is no video card, then you connect to the motherboard. Video cards nowadays come with adapters for older monitors, so make sure to connect the adapter to the back of the video game before plugging the monitor. How to uninstall hardware. Start control panel. Click hardware and sound. Then click device manager. Expand the node that represents the type of device that you want to uninstall. Right-click the device entry and click uninstall. On the Confirm Device Removal dialog box, click OK to start the uninstall process. When the uninstall process is complete, remove the device. How to install software? The first most important step in software installation is to verify that the target system meets the general hardware requirements of the application. Beginning the installation in a computer machine which does not possess the minimum requirements can lead to either an unsuccessful installation or failure of the program to write after installing it. Since programs in general are written to be operating system dependent, make sure that the version of the application you are installing corresponds to the operating system platform running on your machine. Aside from the general hardware requirements, some computer programs also have software requirements prior to installation. Double check if you need to update or upgrade your operating system, or if there is need to download tools or utilities. Once all the initial requirements have been met, make sure that there are no unnecessary programs running before beginning the installation procedure. In some instances, applications may require that the antivirus programs be disabled. Make sure that you are installing a legitimate application before disabling your protection software. Software installation can be done either from the internet or from an installation disk provided by the software manufacturer. To install from the disk, simply open the CD or DVD drive and insert the installer. A setup wizard window should be launched. In the case there is none, open the Explorer and navigate to the optical drive. Double-click on either the autorun or setup file. Once the wizard is running, simply follow the prompts until the installation process is completed. For novice users, accept the default values to minimize potential problems during the procedure. For installation from the web, launch your browser application and download the setup file to your hard drive. Of the downloading process, run the setup program to execute the setup wizard that will handle the automatic installation of the software. After the installation procedure has been completed, setup wizard has terminated. Reboot your machine before launching the newly installed software. How to uninstall software. Head to the Start menu and select Control Panel, then select Uninstall a program. A list of software installed on the machine will appear. Simply click on the program you want to remove and select Uninstall from the option at the top of the window. You'll be asked to confirm you want to remove the program. Click Yes and then wait while the software is removed from your PC. However, it's worth noting that the Windows uninstaller doesn't always completely remove all the tracers of a program. So if you're concerned, you need Revo Uninstaller once you've downloaded the app, which can be found in PC Advisor's download section, or go to the Start menu and select Revo from the program list. In Revo's interface, double-click the program's icon to remove it. You can scan and remove leftover files or registry entries.